everyone. This is Professor Yarbrough, and I wanted to hop on here and just give you a quick um, tour of the course and kind of answer some of the questions I know some of my students have already been having, and just kind of help you chill out a bit, okay? And give an overview of week one. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, number one, you get, even though you can buy this course code and everything, you will not actually be prompted to put it in until you actually click on a quiz. So I'm going to first show you where the bulk of the course is. You will go over here to assignments. Why is assignments all the way down there? Sorry. When I course copy from my thing, it moves stuff around on me. Okay, so module one is what we're in, okay? Week one, okay, and it does, you can look at the overview as well. I'm not going to go into that today. The syllabus and agenda is in here. Actually, start here is where the syllabus and agenda is, and I have not put it in there. Somehow I missed that today. So, okay, so Succeeding with Waymaker, this will tell you everything you need to know about the process of using the Lumen textbook. Let me go ahead and click in here. This right here is the Lumen Waymaker. This is where it is, okay? So every week you're going to get a different study plan and quiz. This study plan is 5 points for you just reading through. This basically tracks you, it's an interactive textbook. You don't actually get a paper textbook. It's not an e-text where it tells you to go to a certain page. You're going to go click into the study plan. Now, make sure you're using Google Chrome or it might be really hard for you to see. It might not pop up. That happened today in class. So, I'm new using Lumen and Waymaker. So I'm kind of working out kinks as well. So there are no stupid questions, okay? And they do have a really good support staff to help when I do have questions. So don't feel shy um, and at the same time, don't feel like there's any kind of emergency. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is this right here is kind of like what the overview is, why it's important for you to learn about success skills. Then you're going to click on the show what you know. Okay, you'll click down here and you will go in and take a quiz. Oh, before I forget, even if you have not bought the code, you can still do this. They give you 2 weeks of free access. So when you click in here, and actually I think it's once you click into a quiz, to take the quiz, it's going to prompt you and say, do you have the coupon code? And you can go to the bookstore and then they'll give you a link and then you'll get that voucher. Or you can just go ahead and get the 2 weeks free and it'll give you that option as well. Okay, I don't have the ability to show you that right here, but if you have a problem, let me know. Okay. So, the success skills, I'm going to go through and click. I've read through this, but I'm not going to, I don't remember. I'm just trying to show you what it looks like once you do it. So, uh, Google Drive, okay. So I'm going to, and they have different, you basically don't, they recirculate the quizzes. And so if your friend takes a quiz, you can't share because it's going to be in different order and all that. Yeah, it's one of those fun things about technology that kind of keeps you from cheating per se. But again, it's not really the smartest to go through and just click like this. This is not what I'm suggesting you do. Okay, this is kind of a pre-test. It's asking what you know. If you actually look at the PowerPoint that I've uploaded, it will kind of give you some information that you to learn about it, so you will know. Okay, so let's see what I did. Just clicking through. Okay. Ooh, wow. That's the worst clicking grade I've ever gotten, 16%. Okay. So time spent, but I also will be able to tell that, oh, that's a clicker. I'll know you're a clicker. I will with 56 seconds, okay? Because no one reads that fast. Okay. So I did actually get technology and writing 2 out of 3. Did kind of read that one question. Okay, so anyway, and it'll tell you which ones you got wrong and why you got them wrong and go through it. You can go through all of that, but basically, this is not your quiz yet. So, I always get, whenever I'm doing the screencast, it's harder to see where things are. Where is it? Need to get out of here. Updated study plan. Yeah. So your updated study plan, I'll just go click the back button. Yeah. Okay. So now, woo, look at all this. Now, if I had taken time and I had actually gotten a lot of the questions right, I might only have 2 of these or 3 of these. Okay. But now I have to go through all of this. So it says like it actually tracks what you did really poorly in or what you did well. So you get 5 points each week for just going through and reading this material. And it's an interactive textbook. There'll be videos. It'll, here, I'll just kind of show you what it looks like. And so, and then it'll ask you questions, that type of thing. Now, you can be one of those that's just like, I'm not going to read all that. Well, you just won't get the points. Okay, right? So then you're going to go through and you're going to click in uses of technology and critical. Okay, so not that's still textbook, sorry. Quiz results. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is take this quiz after you've read through all the material. Okay, this right here, you do get multiple attempts, but this is just basically testing. This is worth 20 points each week. Okay, so you do want to kind of try to get it do well on it. And the system will actually alert you when you get and give you tips on the areas that you are struggling in and that the concepts that you are not grasping. So it is a comprehensive text. I like it. I mean, as far as especially since this is an online course, and basically all classes might go online at some point this summer. I mean, this semester. I wanted something that was a little bit more interactive. I'm not going to get on Zoom and lecture for 2 hours a week on a textbook. So this is kind of your way of learning the concepts that you need to learn for that week. Okay. So let's go back out of Lumen and back into week 1. Okay, so your syllabus and agenda, they are not in here because before I copied the course over, they are here and start here. Okay, so I will put them in this evening. So agenda and syllabus, click on here. This is basically the pacer. This is the most important thing. And you can go through, read through the syllabus. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm not going to bore you with that today. All right, so enable editing, just so you can print it. I would suggest you print this because this will help you keep up and track with what activities you have to do this week. So you have a discussion board this week, and you also have the Succeeding with Waymaker. You need to read through that. That kind of tells you how Waymaker works. And then read Success in College study plan. That's what we were just in. And then take the study Success in College quiz. Okay. And then you also have a college reflection that's due. Actually, I'm going to take that out. I don't know why I didn't. Oh well. Okay. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I took something else out. I don't know. I've been up all day. So this is a hot mess video. I'm just trying to get it out here so that those of you that are going into the course, you don't feel overwhelmed. Okay, so let me go back into the course and I will go back to module 1. I want to get out of that. I want to get out into assignments, back to module 1. And assignments is where the bulk of the course is going to be. Each week, there's a box that you're going to click on and it will give you everything that you need. So here's the Succeeding with Waymaker, here's the success skills, And here's the discussion board that you're going to talk about. What is your definition of success? You do have to post to the discussion board by Wednesday, and then you respond to 2 of your peers by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so that gives you kind of that option. Yes, I've already taken out the other assignment. It's just still on the agenda. So you do not have to do that assignment about that's listed here. This assignment right here, college reflection, I'm not making you do that. Okay. All you got to do is the discussion board and read Success in College Study Plan. Okay. So I hope you watch this video so you know that, so you're not looking for it. So anyway, I've talked longer than I intended to. This is just a brief overview. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me. My email will be found in my Google phone, are found in the syllabus. Also, you can just email me through Blackboard right here. I'll show you. Like right over here, there's a send email. You can do it that way if you need to. But I will get back with you as quickly as possible. Okay. Don't just sit there and fret. Okay. And there are no emergencies. This is the first week of class. We're all kind of learning how to do this. And I will send out a doodle poll in the next couple of days and try to figure out a good time that we could meet on Zoom as a class. And you will be having personal one-on-one Zoom meetings with me in the near future. So we'll be scheduling those as well. So again, also one thing I want to throw out, because you are my online class, go ahead and go into your with your discussion board. Would you go ahead and post a picture of yourself in the discussion board if you can remember to do that? I'll put that in the announcement, so that way I have a visual of what you look like. Again, since we're virtual, it's kind of hard to, get to know and keep a track of who is who. So, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're not stressed. We're going to have a great semester. And again, I'm here for you. I'm your advocate, and I look forward to being your instructor. And I will send a more formal introduction of myself in the near future. Okay? All right. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon.